Hello everybody, Marty with Sea on the Mountain, and one of our bee students, Peyton Gefeller, FFA bee student. This is her hive. She picked her package of bees today. She set up her hive. She's getting ready to release her bees. First time ever Peyton gets to release her own bees. So she's going to take them out of the package. We already have the package in the hive. We have the resources allocated already. She's going to pull this canister of syrup out, and then she'll pull the queen out, place the queen, and then she'll deal with her bees. Okay, Peyton, go ahead. She's going to grab them with the needle nose. I use 2 needle nose. Sometimes these are really in there and sometimes not so much. So she'll pull it right out. Okay, this one's kind of stuck, so go ahead and push down and pull. Sometimes they jam these in pretty good. Okay, here they come. All right, set that aside, Peyton, right there. Okay, now you're going to get your queen. You're going to place her on this frame. You slide her this way. There you go, beautiful. Okay, now let's shake her off down here. Shake them off. Okay, we're looking at the queen. Make sure we have a beautiful, nice queen. See if you can see her. We can get a better picture of her right here. So there she is. Peyton Gefeller's first queen. I don't know if I can see her in that video. Maybe we'll see her. Okay, now get her. And you're going to place her this way or that way. Push her, punch her through first. Through the frame. There you go. All the way. There you go. Perfect. Now turn it just a little bit. Turn her. Yeah, that way. You can do that way. Good. Good job. Now she's turned. Now come over here. And no, down. Push it down. Good job. Good job, Peyton. Okay, she's good. Now leave her there. Pull your package out. Remember how I did it?
Yeah, you just shook it, right?
Turn them. Yeah, turn them where you can shake them in there. There you go. And just shake them. Then go from side to side, and they'll slide from one side to the other into the box. Good job, Peyton. Her first installation of bees. These bees are really docile. We're really pleased with them. They're Italians. And the first package we shook out was just fantastic.
My hands aren't big enough.
Yeah. There you go. Good job. Now the other side, and we'll put them in the front and just let the rest go in. Okay. Now just face up. Yeah. The hole up like that. There, just let them put them there, and they'll go right into their queen. You just set the front right here like this, and they'll go into their queen. Okay, Peyton. Let's do this. Put your queen in. And we're going to put the syrup over here since we don't have a top one for this one. Okay. So, and then what we'll do is move these over. Okay, don't crowd her too much. We'll leave some room around her. Okay, move this one over too. What we'll do is get a couple twigs, some twigs down there. See that twig? Break it off and put it on the ground. Break it in half. Yeah, perfect. So the can there, right there, and then run it one right next to it. Right there. Okay. Let me shush these bees. Yeah, they'll be fine. Then we're just going to put the syrup right here so the bees can get to it. Right there. The twigs will keep it to where they can go under there and suck the syrup out. Okay. We'll put another frame in here and call it good for now. And like tomorrow or whatever, I'll see if they've sucked the syrup out, and then I'll fill in the frames. I think we can stick. So there you go. Good job, Peyton Gefeller. Where will we see you, Peyton?
On the mountain.
And we want to do what on the mountain?
Praise the Lord.
Yeah, there you go. Praise the Lord. Share, like, and subscribe, and praise the Lord. Good job, Peyton. Congratulations on your first hive. Take a look down here. She's got them in there. We'll put the inner cover on. Go ahead and place your inner cover on, Peyton. And where's your lid? It's somewhere. And she'll put the lid. It's right behind her. Okay. Here's your lid. It's a heavy lid. All right. There you go, folks. Congratulations, Peyton. First package of bees installed. Her first bees. She bought these bees with her own money, and she's doing the whole thing through FFA. Good job.